Do you ever feel like life is pulling you in so many different directions that you don't even recognize your own voice anymore? It's like you're trying to trust yourself and your gut and your instincts, but everything around you feels chaotic and confusing or overwhelming. What if I told you that that part of you that feels small or scared or disconnected isn't who you really are, but it is something that you can gently unlearn? So today I'm going to show you how to reclaim your inner power through your body, your energy, and your truth so that you can stop outsourcing your value and start owning it. Hi, my name is Jackie Faber. I'm an expansion specialist. And let me tell you, I've been there where the pressure to be what other people expect, the fear of being too much or too little, the doubt that maybe I'm just not good enough. All of that was alive in me too. And when I tried to fix it only from the mind, it got louder. But when I started listening to my body and I started honoring my nervous system, leaning into what felt true, even if it shook everything around me, that's when things shifted. Not overnight, but in ways that became real and lasting. To understand reclaiming our power, we have to understand what happens when we lose trust in ourselves. Trauma, stress, unresolved wounds, all of these things compress parts of you. Your nervous system goes into fight, flight, or shut down. And energy that is meant to flow gets blocked. From this space, beliefs start to form. I'm not safe. I need to be perfect in order to be safe. I need to hide this part of me to be safe. These aren't just mental stories, they actually live in your body. They might show up as tightness in your chest, as shame, as indecision, as feeling numb or disconnected from your own desires. And when you don't have tools to regulate, your nervous system will stay stuck in reactivity. So then trusting yourself becomes even harder. Here are 4 principles that will support you in reclaiming your inner power and trusting yourself again. So number 1 is grounding presence. Come into your body, come into your breath, your senses, with your feet on the ground. Regulating your nervous system begins with connecting to the here and now. Number 2 is somatic awareness. Start to notice how you feel without judgment. What sensations arise in your body when you feel things like shame or fear or disconnection? Learning to track all of these felt senses will give you clues into what's true for you under all of the stories. Number 3 is boundary and capacity building. Say no without guilt. Honor your limits. Learn what your capacity is, when to rest, when to speak up. Your power lives within the clarity of what you will and will not accept. Number 4, inner wisdom and self-compassion. Cultivating that compassionate observer inside of you who says, you matter, I see you, you're doing the best that you can. Because when you learn to witness yourself with kindness, that's when trust grows. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through 3 practices that you can do right now, wherever you are. Practice 1, grounding. Sit or stand in a comfortable place. You can close your eyes or soften your gaze. And I want you to feel your feet on the floor. Like notice the points of contact, your left foot, your right foot, where the arch of your foot meets the ground. Inhale for a count of 4. And exhale for a count of 6. Do this 3 times. With every exhale, I want you to imagine releasing stress and tension. And with every inhale, you're bringing in safety and ease. Okay, practice number 2, somatic tracking. Bring to mind a moment recently where you felt small, unsure, or anxious. Now, without judging it, I want you to notice where it lives in your body. Is it tightness in your chest? Is it a lump in your throat? Heat in your stomach? Hold just enough attention so you know what's there, but don't try to fix it. And then I want you to breathe into that sensation. Ask yourself, what do I need in this moment? Maybe it's rest, maybe it's clarity, maybe it's support. So practice number 3 is witnessing your inner dialogue. I want you to close your eyes, soften your heart, and imagine a safe space. Maybe it's a forest or a room or a beach, wherever you feel calm inside. Now bring in a younger part of yourself who needed trust, who felt unheard or small. Now speak to them. I see you. You matter. Your voice matters. I'm here for you. Let whatever feelings come, come. Let the energy move and rest with that. You can open your eyes whenever you're ready. So take these practices with you, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Then notice how your sense of trust and clarity and inner power starts to grow. Now, before we go, I want to talk about resistance, because in this type of work, resistance is a part of the path. It is not a detour. You might feel a fear of judgment. If you speak your truth or if you choose differently, other people might react. You might have a fear of chaos. Shifting starts to show up in your relationships, in your work, in your sense of identity, and all of that can feel dangerous. You might have doubts. What if I don't change? What if this is just going to hurt me more? Here is how you can work through all of that. Step 1, lean into curiosity. What is this fear trying to tell me? Step 2, create small experiments. So try speaking your truth in small ways and then see what happens. Step 3 is build your support system. A person, a practice, a mirror. Somatic work feels safer when we're not doing it alone. So here is what I am inviting you to do after this video. Choose one of the practices I shared and do it daily for the next 3 days. Write down one moment where you felt your inner power, even a small one, because noticing it helps it grow. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. What is one thing you want to trust yourself more around? I would love for us to witness each other here. You are not here by accident. You are here because there is something inside of you that is ready to expand, that is ready to reclaim what is yours. It is time to stop outsourcing your value. It is time to trust your heart, your body, and your wisdom. Stand firmly in your truth and let life align with the power that lives inside of you. Thank you for being here. I see you. I honor the journey that you're on, and I'll see you in the next video.